Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this mushroom silicone lamp. I got this for the children's bedroom. I wanted something safe for the children, and this one fits the bill. So here is the actual lamp. Super cute. So here's the controls. It's just one control button. This is the off and on. This is the on button. So that one says 30. I don't know, it says 30. So it comes with an instruction, which is pretty self-explanatory. So if you just bump it a little, it would change the shade, and it's very, as you can see, it's very soft. It's made of silicone, and it comes with a USB-C type charger, so you can charge it easily through your computer or through a port. And that's it. That's our cute little nightlight. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.